Assalamualaikum, selamat tengah hari. Kita di Kota Iskandar di hadapan sana dan kita ada kawan. Alan Silver Fox, huge. You want to say selamat tengah hari to my
No. That's one of the few words I could actually say, and I just couldn't say it.
Yeah.
Selamat Tengah Hari.
Yes,
Here we go.
you got it.
Good
So ini kawan kita daripada UK. Baru je, dia baru kat sini daripada 2009, 2009, not so long, 2009 only. Sebab tu dia tak pandai lagi cakap bahasa. Anyway, so kita nak pergi Warung Bunian. Warung Bunian. It's a cafe, dia cafe. Tetapi tak ramai yang tahu kerana tak ada signboard. There's no sign. What? Lizards? What?
No.
Oh, that's the place.
No one there.
That's the place.
Yeah.
Itu tempat dia, Warung
Where did you
Bunian.
think it was?
Tapi kenapa? Yeah. That's what I say. I really thought that it's a pub. They sell alcohol there.
No.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
So yang saya tahu dulu bila saya datang kan, memang nampaknya memang pub lah, tempat mereka jual minuman beralkohol, iaitu dibenarkan pada waktu malam sahaja. Tapi sekurang-kurangnya pada hari itu nampak macam masih dibuka. Oh, snakes. Kita ular. Kan? Tapi hari ni nampak macam terus tutup. Macam, I think they are open at nights.
No,
During
it was the
evenings.
daytime I came, and I'm sure it was doing coffee and stuff.
Oh,
And I thought
So
it was
I
more
guess-
local than beer.
I guess they are closed then.
It's like they're painting.
You want to cross?
Go check it out, just have a look.
Yes, of course. Okay, kita pergi je lah nak tengok.
Anything that's attractive, really attractive. That's why I
Oh,
can't
yeah.
understand why it's not successful.
Yeah. Sebab apa tau, Puteri Harbour ni, kawasan depan kita ni kan, banyak dah kedai dah tutup dah sebenarnya. Tapi yang kita heran, kenapa pub ni masih dibuka kat ujung sini tanpa sebarang papan tanda. There are no such signboards available, right? Yeah, so
But I saw people there last time I was here.
yep, sebab tu kita heran kenapa mereka letak kat ujung sini kan. Tapi nampaknya hari ni macam dah tutup. Mungkin dah tutup sepenuhnya. Kita ingat nak datang sini untuk dapat minum kopi ke kopi. Tapi macam tak ada orang kat sini lah. Anyways, how I wish they allow us to fish over here, because you can see a lot of big fishes out there.
Why don't
Banyak ikan sana.
Why don't they?
I don't know, because most probably those anglers or fishermen, I think they are renovating, right? They are doing something on
I think they're working, but that's what they do.
Dia tengah renovating lah, renovation.
Can you get over there and fish?
Huh? Oh yes, but I heard that only motorbikes.
No, that was going to be a motorbike like scrambling track, and they closed it down because of complaints after about 2 weeks.
Oh really?
Because of the people here.
Oh.
And so the noise, they shut it down.
You see, okay, kat bawah ni banyak ikan tau. Tapi, ni air pasang besar lah. So, biasanya ikan tak ada. It's a high tide, so seldom fishes are here during high tide. Yeah. Strange, huh? But that's how it is.
When I was here the other day,
Uh-huh.
there was a circle
Uh-huh.
in the water.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what is causing that?
Look at that. Those small fishes, millets.
No.
Mellow.
No, it was like a huge, probably about this big, the circle.
Oh.
And it was just like a clear bit of water,
Oh.
and the rest of it was all like this.
Wow.
It's on my video.
Really?
Check it out.
I check your videos every day.
Sights and scenes.
Maybe some parts I missed.
Sights and scenes. It's only short clips that you've got.
So inilah dia Warung Bunian yang saya cakap tu kan. Macam mana mereka boleh hidup kat sini saya tak tahulah. Siapa yang tahu kat sini ada kedai daripada sana. Sedangkan tempat situ dah tutup. Banyak kedai tutup. Macam mana pula kat sini boleh ada?
Caribbean juice bar.
Oh, Caribbean juice
So there is
bar.
alcohol, so you're not allowed. You have to stay away.
I'm allowed, just I don't take alcohol.
But they
I
also do
just take the others, right?
They do smoothies and everything else.
Smoothies.
So,
Yeah,
cool.
that's bad. Not bad. Coffee? Yeah,
Coffee, yeah, we have, yes.
But not at these hours. Maybe
We
late.
open 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Oh, we're early 3 hours.
So how long have you been open?
Almost 4 years. Almost.
What?
Yeah. We opened
Yes, they are.
2020.
I know that.
I've been filming down here loads of times. I've never seen this place. Why are there no signs anywhere?
Signboards. They didn't put any signboards.
Yeah, but we don't put this.
No,
Oh, yeah. Oh, exclusively, they didn't put the signboard
On purpose.
on purpose.
I mean, we only on the social media.
You see?
Really?
Yeah.
So you survived 4 years in this place where everything dies.
But we opened 2020 to 2022.
So COVID,
Times
after COVID, all the things. Yes, I never knew. Honestly, I was here about 2 weeks ago and I could hear music and I looked, I
Yeah.
could see. I thought, I'm going to walk that far and I thought, no, I was too hot by then. I've had enough. But I thought, I'm going to check it out on another day. So I brought him with me. So,
You can check IG Caribbean Juice Bar. Yeah.
okay,
Caribbean
I don't do
Juice
IG.
Bar.
I'm on.
Okay.
What am I on now? Up scrolled. The new one. Everyone's not doing it Instagram now. It's up scrolled.
So 3 p.m. until late night.
On weekday 3 until 10. Saturday 12 till Sunday 12 11.
12, 11,
Cool.
12, 11.
I mean, for smoothies and stuff, for sure.
Alright. Yeah, they just.
Well, you can put an advert for them now. Then come on. Find us to social media.
Yes.
Last video got 50,000.
Ya, inilah dia. Yeah. Caribbean Juice Bar. Kita cari dekat Instagram On Instagram, dekat Instagram Caribbean Juice Bar. Mereka ada juice, smoothies, coffee, tapi ada minuman alkohol juga lah. Kita tak perlulah minum alkohol kan. Kita cuba duduk kat atas itu dan minum kopi sambil menikmati pemandangan indah kat sini, Puteri Harbour. Kadang-kadang ada kita punya mascot untuk photo op sini. Taklah. Okay, dan kadang-kadang kita boleh nampak okay, siang-siang boleh cakap lah buaya, crocodiles. Yeah, sometimes who knows, right? You got the chance to see crocodiles when you are having your smoothies. Sambil kita minum coffee, smoothies, kita boleh nampak crocodile. Kat sini ada. They have crocodiles, yeah?
I know. I'd love to see one.
Yeah, right. Just
That close, but I'd love to see one.
but there's one downside of it. If those neighbors of ours doing their live firing training,
Yeah.
boom. Kat sini kan, Singapore, kat sana Singapore. Sana tu Singapore. Okay, mereka selalu buat latihan menembak dengan peluru hidup. Jadi kat sini kan kita akan dengar boom. Kat sini semua kan.
Okay, I didn't tell you. I'm going to tell you this now. You put on your film if you want to.
Aha.
So when I first started working at Magnum, so late at night, I'd never been down this way before really.
Uh-huh.
Late at night, I'm working at Magnum,
And
and I can suddenly hear gunshots
Yes.
and booms,
Yes.
and I'm like,
What the heck?
is going
Yes,
on?
yes,
Is there
yes.
some kind of terrorist attack?
Yeah.
Or-
No. I was
I know, but I mean, it's like if you
don't know about it, right? Yes.
And that's like it was not quiet. It's very loud.
It's
It
very loud.
echoes here as well.
Yes. Exactly. My
I'm
son,
like,
when
why
he...
is no one panicking? That was my first thought. Why is no one panicking? And that's that kind of thing where you see
Yeah.
no one panics and you realise like people just haven't realised what's happening.
Yes.
And that's what I thought was happening in life. And you still get now people living in these places here
Yeah.
say, "Oh, what's all that loud noise?"
Yeah, because
on?"
nobody's informing them,
Yeah.
right?
People generally don't know until they
Yeah.
ask.
They should be having an alert or notification saying that it's a training.
Yeah.
Don't panic, right? Yeah, so
It's a really
memang
nice neck
itulah.
picture you're using. Where'd you get
Apa
that from?
kawan kita cakap ialah kat sini bila ada latihan menembak tu semua bunyi sangat kuat sampai kita rasakan macam ni ke perang, ni peperangan dah bermula ke kan? Tak, bukan. Mereka sedang buat latihan kat sini, kat sebelah sana. Okay, nampak kat situ ada blimp balon gas lah, nampak tak? Kapal terbang, kapal angkasa ke apa nak panggil dia terbang tapi dia bukan bawa penumpang tau. Yang saya baca tadi sosmed, social media ialah blimp tu Dia ialah satu radar tau. Radar daripada pihak tentera Singapura lah. Ya, tu yang saya tahulah sebab dah lama tau dia kat situ. Dari sebulan lebih dah. Yalah, mungkin mereka tengah cuba peralatan baru lah. Okay, anyway, inilah dia kita punya warung bunian. Kita terawal lah. Kita patutnya 3 petang. 3 petang datang sampai 12 malam mereka buka. Biasa tempat chill. Mereka tak letak signboard sebab mereka advertise dekat social media. Kita tadi ada tanya dia kenapa tak letak signboard. Siapa tahu mereka kat sini kan. Mereka cakap tak. Mereka memang buat begini sebab nak secara eksklusifnya supaya yang datang tu ialah orang-orang yang memang browsing social media. Mereka nak cuba narrowkan lah. Mereka nak tiruskan pelawak-pelawak yang datang. Sebab apa kalau mereka letak signboard, yang datang ialah kadang-kadang orang tak tahu. Orang datang tengok ada alkohol. Jadi bila mereka lekat social media, mereka dapat war-warkan lah bahawa mereka ada alkohol, apa yang mereka ada. Jadi siapa yang datang mereka tahu apa yang mereka ada. Dan thank you to our friend Alan Silver Fox. Jangan lupa tengok channel dia Silver Fox JB or Going Nowhere Fast.
Going Nowhere Fast, you won't find it on that. So at Silver Fox JB.
Silver Fox JB tak ada jarak. Silver Fox musang perak. Musang perak because perak di atas warna dan dia ialah seekor fox. Okay, so JB Johor Bahru. Okay, jangan lupa Alright. So, tak dapat nak minum kat sini, tak apa. Cool place. Okay, we are going to come back another day. Okay, so itu saja konten kita untuk hari ini. Jangan lupa cuba datang ke Caribbean. What is it called again? Caribbean
Juice Bar.
Lupa dah tengok, baru sekejap je. Caribbean Juice Bar di Puteri Harbour. Jalan daripada Puteri Harbour, ikut jalan sana, ada laluan ni, datang ke sini. Okay? Alright. So, terima kasih kerana menyertai saya pada hari ini. Dan kita berjumpa lagi di video yang akan datang. Sementara menunggu video yang akan datang, saya ucapkan Assalamualaikum dan selamat tengah hari. Bye-bye.